Good evening, folks. Welcome back to Gunning Down a Dream. I hope all of you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are off to a great holiday season with your families and stuff, and I hope you're enjoying shooting and exercising your Second Amendment rights and fighting for your Second Amendment rights. As usual, I want to start off just by letting you folks know that I am in no way sponsored or employed by any companies that I may mention in any of these videos, as well as anything that I may mention. I am not paid by or anything like that. I want to do a huge shout out to Jeff up at McDonald's Guns. Keep doing what you're doing. We'll have a video coming up soon with him, and I want to do a huge shout out to Springfield Armory, which is the firearm we're doing a video on today. This is the St. Victor chambered in .308. We're going to put the first 50 rounds through it just to see how it handles. In no way is this video for precision or accuracy today. It's just strictly to see how the rifle handles, how it fires, and to see if there's any kind of jams or malfunctions. I want to do a super big, huge shout out to those of you folks that have subscribed so far to our YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do yourself a favor and hit subscribe and ring the notification bell. We have a lot more fun, awesome, cool ideas coming up. My beautiful wife and kids, they just got me a GoPro Hero 9 with some of the accessories, so I'm going to be learning how to use that to incorporate that into these videos to give better production quality. And lastly, as always, everything is being done in a safe manner. I am at my private shooting facility. This rifle is currently unloaded right now for the principle of this video. So straight out of the box, it does come with the Springfield Armory front pop-up sights and the rear pop-up sights. I am slowly adding some customizations to it. I am actually going to get my M-LOK free-floating handguard. I'm going to get that modded out with more Picatinny rail. It does have the deployable foregrip and your shooter stand, which we're going to be using today. So also, we are going, like I mentioned, a huge shout out to Magpul. We're going to be using the Magpul drum mag today, the D50 drum mag, first 50 rounds through the Springfield St. Victor chambered in .308. If you folks have any questions or anything that you may need, go ahead and drop down into the comments. If you have any video ideas or any friendly suggestions to make me a better shooter or a better person or better marksman, I am in no way a professional shooter at all. So we're going to go ahead and get into today's video. I do have a paper cardboard target set up down range just to use that as a point of aim. Again, this is not for accuracy or anything like that. It's strictly just to see how the firearm handles and if it handles correctly and well. So again, thank you folks for watching, and stay tuned. I'm getting ready to get this drum mag loaded up and put in, and I'm going to turn around here and we're going to take some shots and see what we can do here. So let me go ahead and lock the bolt back right here, because this D50 drum mag, it will not go in there with the full drum mag, so I may try alternating that with a couple less rounds. Here we go, Gunning Down a Dream, Springfield St. Victor .308. First impressions. Get my ears on. And we're getting ready to go ahead and go with it. folks, safety is off and I am ready to take my first shot. This rifle has never been fired until now. So with that first shot, this rifle does not have a whole lot of recoil, at least in my opinion. That it barely moved and it's very stable, so I thoroughly enjoy that. That's a good quality to have right out of the box or right out of the rifle bag that it came in. So far so good. I have had no jams or malfunctions. Again, it's a very comfortable rifle and it's shooting just fine. I really think it's a high quality firearm. Thank you Springfield for making a good high quality firearm. Big shout out from Gunning Down a Dream up here in Indiana. Looks like I'm getting some hits down range and hitting my target. I got a pumpkin down there and some paper target down there. Hopefully we can see that on the footage. So far, like I said, I've had no issues. She's very accurate right out of the bag that it came in. This is a really good, high-quality rifle for the price that it is. It's right about the $1,200 range, varying a little bit lower, maybe a little bit higher, depending on where you might find it at these days. But so far, I am extremely impressed. Springfield Armory, you've got a thumbs up for us up here at Gunning Down a Dream, as I mentioned. it's clear. I'll go ahead and lock my bolt back right there. Alrighty, I've got the mag in there. Okay, so anyhow, this was the Springfield St. Victor. Like I said, that's the Magpul D50 drum mag. Holds 50 rounds. It's very durable. The rigidity on that drum mag is just awesome. Again, this deployable bipod foregrip. If you're not going to be using it for like extreme training or heavy duty usage, it definitely would work out just to do target practicing and shooting around the range. As long as you're not doing really hardcore training, that's a good quality foregrip right there. So if you are a supporter of the Second Amendment, you support our veterans and you support our country, and you're sick and tired of the way things are going right now with the government and the ATF and the folks up there trying to strip away more of our rights in the firearms community and stuff like that, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, shoot the notification bell so you can get a notification every time we do a video, and give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you feels necessary. Leave a comment. Again, our channel is in deep support of the Second Amendment, anything firearms, our veterans, and folks that love the United States of America and their families. This is Gunning Down a Dream. We will see you in the next one. Have a good week.